Hi everybody, it's Fatih Arslan and welcome to my modern systems analysis and design tutorials videos. And in this tutorial video we will see chapter 4, which includes identifying and selecting systems development projects. Let's start. First of all, learning objectives are describe the project identification and selection process, describe corporate strategic planning and information systems planning process, explain the relationship between corporate strategic planning and information systems planning, describe how information systems planning can be used to assist in identifying and selecting systems development projects, analyze information systems planning matrices to determine affinity between information systems and IS projects and to forecast the impact of IS projects on business objectives, describe the three classes of Internet electronic commerce applications: Internet, intranets, and extranets. After these steps, for this time, I want to talk about we will learn this one, and you can see from here learning objectives. In final step, I will just say you we completed our learning objectives. Okay. First, identifying and selecting systems development projects. Figure 4.1. System development life cycle with project identification and selection highlighted, as you see. The process of identifying and selecting IS development projects. Identifying potential development projects. Identification from a stakeholder group. Each stakeholder group brings their own perspective and motivation to the IS decision. Top-down source are projects identified by top management or by diverse steering committee. Bottom-up source are project initiatives stemming from managers, business units, or development group. The process varies substantially across organizations. Here's a table characteristics of alternative methods for making information system identification and selection decisions. You can see and read. Classifying and ranking IS development projects using value chain analysis or other evaluation criteria. Value chain analysis. The process of analyzing an organization's activities for making products and services to determine where value is added and costs are incurred. Here is a figure, organizational value chain. You can see and read. Now, selecting IS development projects. Based on various factors, consider both short and long-term projects. Select those most likely to achieve business objectives is a very important and ongoing activity. Here is also figured. Project selection decisions must consider numerous factors and can have numerous outcomes, which you can see in here. One method for deciding among different projects or alternative design is, for each requirement or constraint, score weight X rating. Each alternative sum scores across requirements or constraints. Alternative with highest score wins. Here's a table for possible evaluation criteria when classifying and ranking projects. It's also a figure. Now, deliverables and outcomes. Primary deliverable from the first part of the planning phase is a schedule of specific IS development projects. Outcome of the next part of the planning phase is the assurance that careful consideration was given to project selection and each project can help the organization reach its goals. Now, incremental commitment. A strategy in systems analysis and design in which the project is reviewed after each phase and continuation of the project is justified. To corporate and information systems planning. To benefit from a planning-based approach for identifying and selecting projects, an organization must analyze its information needs thoroughly Plan its projects carefully. Ongoing project process that defines mission, objectives, and strategies of an organization. Corporate strategy involves mission statement, objective statements, description of competitive strategy. Mission statement. A statement that makes it clear what business a company is in. Now you can see a mission statement figure. Okay. Objective statement. A statement a series of statements that express an organization's qualitative and quantitative goals for reaching a desired future position. Competitive strategy. The method by which an organization attempts to achieve its mission and objectives. Main types: low-cost producer, product differentiation, product focus or niche. Another information system planning, ISP, an orderly means of assessing the information needs of an organization and defining systems, databases, and technologies that will best meet those needs. ISP must be done in accordance with the organization's mission, objectives, and competitive strategy. Here's a figure this topic. Okay. IS planning must be kept in line with corporate strategic planning. Now top-down planning. Attempts to gain a broad understanding of information system needs of the entire organization offers. Broader perspective, improved integration, improved management support, better understanding. Now bottom-up planning. Identifies IS development projects based on solving specific operational business problems or taking advantage of specific opportunities. Can be faster and less costly, so may be beneficial in certain circumstances. Now here's a figure, this topic you can see also, read. Functional decomposition. Breaking high-level abstract information into smaller units for more detailed planning. IS planning matrices describe relationships between pairs of organizational elements, which are location, function, business unit, objective, process, data, information system. IS plan components. Briefly describe mission, objectives, and strategy of the organization. Provide summary of current and future processes, functions, data entities, and information needs of the enterprise. Describe primary role IS will play in the organization to transform enterprise from current to future state. Describe limitations imposed by technology and current levels of financial, technical, and personal resources. Summarize overall information systems needs in the company and set long-term strategies for filling the needs. Show detailed inventory of present projects and systems and detailed plan for the current year. Describe unknown but likely events that can affect the plan, presently known business change elements, and description of their impact on the plan. Now you see a figure about information systems plan. Electronic commerce applications and internet basics. Electronic commerce. Internet-based communication to support day-to-day business activities. Okay. Don't forget day-to-day electronic commerce. Internet. A large worldwide network of networks that use the common protocol to communicate with each other. Intranet. Internet-based communication to support business activities with a single organization. Extranet. Internet-based communication to support business-to-business activities. Business-to-business extranet. Okay. Electronic data interchange. The use of telecommunications technologies to directly transfer business documents between organizations. And here is a table. Okay. Summary. As I said in the beginning of this chapter, summary. Now we complete our objectives. If you have still questions, you can send us emails and I will try to back to you. I hope you understood and you learned lots of things. Thank you for watching and listening to me. I hope we will see each other on the next tutorial. See you later. Goodbye.